Okay, so you're interested in creating an LLC for your rental properties, or maybe you're already renting out some properties and you're finally ready to make things official. First of all, let me tell you, it's a smart move. Whether you're just starting out in the world of rental properties or you've been managing them for a while, creating an LLC can offer you some serious protection, tax advantages, and a more professional image. So, why should you consider forming an LLC for your rental properties? Well, let's start with asset protection. One of the biggest benefits of forming an LLC is that it separates your personal assets from your business assets. So if there's ever any issue with one of your properties, whether it's a legal dispute or a financial hiccup, your personal property like your home or car won't be at risk. This is especially important in the rental property business, where things like tenant disputes or property damage can sometimes lead to legal trouble. Another great benefit of forming an LLC for rental properties is tax advantages. With an LLC, you'll be able to deduct certain business expenses like property management fees, repairs, insurance, and more. Additionally, it's often easier to get financing for your rental business once you have your LLC set up. Lenders see LLCs as legitimate businesses, and they may be more willing to work with you if you have one in place. So here's the thing, you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but how do I actually get an LLC set up? I get it, the process can sound a little intimidating, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through it step by step, and I've got a fantastic service to recommend that will make the whole thing super simple and fast. I've personally used Taylor Brands to set up my LLC, and it's been a game changer. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to get your LLC up and running, this is definitely the way to go. In fact, they can help you create your LLC in as little as 5 minutes. Yep, you heard that right, 5 minutes. So let me show you exactly how to use Taylor Brands to create your LLC for your rental properties. I'll leave a link in the description for you to check them out and get a discount, but here's the breakdown. First, head over to the Taylor Brands website. When you get there, you'll see an option to create an LLC. The interface is super easy to navigate. Seriously, even if you're not tech savvy, you'll be able to get through this with no problem. The first thing Taylor Brands will ask for is your state. The state you choose will determine the fees and paperwork required to form your LLC, so make sure to choose the right one. Once you've selected your state, you'll move on to the next step, which is picking a name for your LLC. Now, here's something really cool. Taylor Brands checks if your name is available in your state right then and there, so you won't waste time thinking up names only to find out they're already taken. They also give you suggestions in case you're stuck, which is pretty handy. Once you've settled on a name, you'll move on to providing some basic info about your business. Don't worry, it's not too complicated. Taylor Brands will ask for your business address, and if you don't have a business address yet, you can use your home address or even rent a virtual office address. Taylor Brands makes it really easy to get all this sorted, so there's no need to overthink it. Next, you'll need to choose your plan. Taylor Brands offers a few different plans, but the basic plan is usually all you need when starting an LLC for rental properties. The basic plan includes everything you need to get your LLC filed with the state, but if you need some additional services like an employer identification number, which you'll need for tax purposes, you can opt to have them get it for you. Then, once you've chosen your plan, you'll be taken to a review screen where you can double check all your details. This step is important because it ensures that everything is correct before you submit it to the state. Once you're happy with the details, you can submit your information and start the official process of creating your LLC. Now, this isn't instant. Once you submit everything, the state will take a few days to process your application. Depending on which state you're in, it can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks to get your LLC approval. But the great part is that Taylor Brands handles all the paperwork and submission for you, so you don't have to deal with it. Once your LLC is approved, you'll receive your official documents from the state and you're ready to go. This means you can start managing your rental properties as a legitimate business. It's that easy. Okay, so now that your LLC is set up, what's next? Well, there are a few important things you'll want to do as you start managing your rental properties under your LLC. First, you should get an EIN, which Taylor Brands can help you with if you didn't select that option earlier. An EIN is essentially a social security number for your business, and it's necessary if you plan on opening a business bank account or hiring employees. Next, you'll want to set up a separate business bank account for your rental properties. This helps keep your business finances separate from your personal ones, which is essential for maintaining that legal protection protection we talked about earlier. You can also use this account to track your income and expenses for tax purposes. Speaking of taxes, it's a good idea to track your expenses related to your rental properties. You can deduct things like repairs, property management fees, insurance, and more, but you'll need to keep accurate records. Consider using accounting software like QuickBooks or a simple spreadsheet to stay on top of things. Finally, make sure you're in compliance with local landlord-tenant laws. Each state and municipality has different regulations, so you'll want to familiarize yourself with the rules that apply to your properties. This includes things like security deposit limits, eviction procedures, and lease agreements. And if you're looking for a service that makes setting up an LLC quick, easy, and hassle-free, I definitely recommend Taylor Brands. I've used them myself, and I can't tell you how much time and frustration they've saved me. So if you're ready to get your LLC set up for your rental properties, just click the link in the description. They've been great, and I know they can help you too. Good luck with your rental property business. It's an exciting venture, and creating an LLC is a big step towards protecting your investments and ensuring your success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.